Hello learners, welcome to chapter 8. With so many pictures on the screen, by now you must have thought the chapter name. Yes, you are right, it's body movements. And for our understanding, we are going to divide it into three parts. So this is the first part. Before we dive into the chapter, I have a request. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is something new which I've learned. The learning objectives for this chapter are: explain how movement in humans is enabled by the skeletal and muscular system. Describe relation between body shape, associated organ, and adaptations which aid movement in earthworm, snail, cockroach, bird, fish, and snake. While sitting still, we observe a lot of movement happening in our body. We breathe, we blink, and if it is calm, we can hear our heartbeats as well. There are multiple movements which happen in our bodies. While watching this video, observe which part of your body are you moving, or when we write, which part of the body comes under movement. At the same time, while we are walking, running, skipping, or jumping, there are various parts of the body which undergo movement. How do animals move from place to place? Here we have a table with the animal name, the body part used for moving, and how does the animal move. Let's start. We have cow with legs and it walks. Humans have legs too and they walk. Snake uses the whole body for moving and it slithers. Birds have wings to fly and even legs to walk. Insects have legs and they crawl. Fish has fins and it can swim. Kangaroo has legs and it jumps. That was undoubtedly a very small table. There can be various ways with which animals move from place to place. Now we have human body and its movement. We all enjoy doing physical exercises, isn't it? Here, if we observe this video and try to throw an imaginary ball, our entire arm rotates at a point. We are able to hold and release objects. Move the head up and down, rotate it sideways, bend arm at the elbow and leg at the knee, stretch arms sideways, and loads of other combinations which can be made possible. Now let's record all these observations, keeping in mind like few parts move in various directions, whereas some move only in one direction. Let's compile our observation into a table. So here we have a table with movements of our body. For 10 body parts, we are going to check if they rotate completely, partially, bend, lift, and do not move at all. Let's see them. The cells highlighted in gray tell about the body part which undergo movement. The human skeleton. If we feel our body parts, our fingers find something hard. These hard structures inside a body are the bones. Together, these bones make the skeletal system, and adults have 206 bones. Now a science fact. The skeleton of a newborn human baby has 300 parts, whereas an adult has 206. Most of the parts in the newborn's skeleton are made of cartilage. These over time convert into bones. Let's learn more about the skeleton. A skeleton is the framework that is formed by the bones in the body. It has three main functions. Number 1, protection. Number 2, support. And number 3, movement. It protects the vital organs. It supports and gives body its shape. And it makes body move with the help of muscles. Now a science fact. Skeleton can be inside or outside the body. If inside, it is called endoskeleton. We have examples like fish, bird, and elephant. If outside, it is called exoskeleton. Examples are tortoise, crab, and lobster. Let's label the parts of the human skeleton. Here we have the skull, scapula, humerus, radius, ulna, phalanges, femur, patella, fibula, tibia, again phalanges, sternum, vertebrae, and pelvis, which is also known as the hip bone. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've understood your concepts well, and in case you have any questions or queries, please write a mail to learning.space.mk@gmail.com. We'll meet again in the next part. Till then, happy learning! Now let's record. That was the bike start sound. While watching this video, there is a bike which is coming. You can't do anything.